When these laser-cut stainless steel gears engage, Woodpecker's 6-in-1 pocket gauge adjusts by 1/32 of an inch. The 6-in-1 pocket gauge uses a 32-pitch gear rack to incrementally adjust the reference block from the base block. With the shoulder created between the two blocks, you have a physical reference you can use to check, adjust, and mark all sorts of measurements in your shop. If you prefer working in metric measurements, take the racks off and flip them over. Now the teeth engage at perfect 1mm increments. And all the scales on the 6-in-1 are graduated in both inch and metric. Let's take a closer look at the 6 different functions. Setting the height of router bits and saw blades. Checking the depth of rabbets and dados. Measuring and locking drill bit stop collars. Locating the center of stock up to 2 full inches thick. Scribing lines perfectly parallel to the edge of your stock. And measuring the depth of small holes and narrow grooves. The basic design of the 6-in-1 pocket gauge is identical to the 6-in-1 shop gauge we introduced in 2018. The difference is it's a little bit smaller and it's designed to be there when you need it. When you're not in the shop, the 6-in-1 pocket gauge comes with a wall mountable racket. You'll know right where to grab it for your next project. Woodpecker's 6-in-1 pocket gauge, locked in accuracy for better results in your shop. Order yours today.